necklace, 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 ring, 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 earring, 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 diamond, 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 bangle, 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 anklet, 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 bracelet, 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 nose pin, nose pin, nose pin, pearl, 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 ruby, 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 gold, 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 silver, 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 necklace, handbag, 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 watch, 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 wallet, 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 belt, 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 sunglasses, 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 shoe, 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 heels, 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 sandal, 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 slipper, 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 tie, 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 bow tie, bow tie, bow tie, suspenders, 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 cufflink, 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 cap, 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 glove, 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 shawl, 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 the umbrella, the umbrella, the umbrella, makeup box, makeup box, makeup box, lipstick, 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 nail polish, nail polish, nail polish, powder, 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 lotion, 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 perfume, perfume, perfume.
And it will help you to boost a lot of confidence, and I'm sure you guys will do great. And thank you for watching this video, and please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe our channel. It will really help you to learn great English, right? Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.